Hello everyone, my name is Parad Vedant. In this video, we will going to explore one statistical tool and which is Minitab. So now let's jump to the statistical tool. So this is our tool homepage. You can see there are many options and here we have navigator and in this page, in this side, we can see our graphs, whatever we will make in this video. And this is same as Excel file where we can have many datas and many worksheet. Now let's add data. Let's take 100 data. So for that we need to find a random data and then in normal where we want to take 100 samples. So we need to write 100 and we need to select a column in which we want to add datas. Then press OK. Now you can see the 100 data will be stored in a particular format. Now let's take another data. Let's say 1000 and 10,000. Same as previous one. We need to take normal, then 1000. Here we need to select another column which is C2. Now you can see we have 1000 data in another C2 column. And now add another 10,000 data. Random and then after normal. Now let's select another C3 column. That's how we can add data in Excel file. Now let's make graph based on our data. So simply go to graph. Then first we will go with dot plot. So take simple. Now we need to select column which data we want to display in graph. So simply select C2, then press OK. As you can see, we got a dot plot graph. Now let's make another graph. Let's make pie chart. Same as dot plot, we need to select column. There are many data, so we get this type of graph and many different colors and many different shades. Let's make a smaller one. So normal 20. Now let's add some data. Now select column and then press OK. Now let's make a pie chart of this C5 column. So as you can see, we got pie chart for 20 different data. Next is stem and leaf graph. So simply go to graph, then select stem and leaf, and here we also need to select one column. So we will get this type of graph. Now let's make histogram. So simply select histogram, then take it simple. First we will make for normal 100 data. As you can see, we got bell save curve, but it's not perfect. So make let's take another more data. Now this time we will select C2 column. So we get more accurate, but not a perfect graph. So another we need let's take C3 column. Now you can see there is perfect bell shape graph, but still we need, if we want to make it accurate, then we need to take more data. So from that we can conclude that if we want perfect bell shape graph, then we need to take more data. Now let's take Webull distribution example. So first we will take 100 data, then 1000. Let's take 10,000, then 1 lakh. Now let's add data in Webull distribution. So select random data, then Webull, and we need 100 data. So take 100, then select column and press OK. Now add 10,000 data. Now select C9, then press OK. Now for 1 lakh, select C10, then press OK. Now let's make graph of for Webull. So we will make a histogram graph. Simple. Let's take column C8. So as you can see, we have more data in left side. So let's make more accurate. Now let's take 1 lakh. Now let's take one normality test of normal distribution and Webull distribution. So simply go to basic statistics and here normality test. Select a column which we want to test. So we will select C3 and press OK. And now again for Webull, please select Webull distribution. As you can see, the normal data samples are in one line, and in Webull distribution there is one curve, and all data samples are on or nearby the red line. And in Webull distribution there is no any there is very less data in over red line. And based on the p-value we can find whether the data is normal or not. Here p-value is zero point 0.3 and in Webull distribution p-value is less than 0.005. If the p-value is greater than 0.05, then we can say the data is normal, and if is less than that, then we can say the data is not normal. Now let's take one box plot graph. So simply select box plot, then simple. We will select C3 and OK. As you can see, the data is normal, so we get same type of graph in upper side and lower side. Now let's take uh, box plot for VBull. As you can see in the box plot of VBull distribution, average and mean value is between 0 to 2 because of the majority data is in left side. So we will get this type of graph. In Minitab, we can calculate mean, median, or standard deviation with help of inbuilt function calculator. So let's do this. First, select calculator. Then, if we want to find mean of C3, then first select mean. In bracket, we need to give C3 column, and the answer will be stored in answer column. So press OK. You can see the mean value is 0.0006. Now let's again take mean of Weibull distribution. So select C10 and press OK. So the mean value is 1.001. Now let's find standard deviation. So select standard deviation, then in bracket we need to give column name. Here we will find standard deviation of C3. The standard deviation of C3 is 1.0022. Now let's find median of any one column. So select median, then in bracket we need to give column name. So let's take C5 and press OK. So the median value of C5 column is minus 0.0070. That's it for video. If you like this video, then leave feedback. Thank you.